Tired of guessing where your work hours go? Clockify isn't just for managers, it's a powerful tool for employees too. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use Clockify to track your time, manage tasks, and collaborate effectively. First, let's log in using your company credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the time tracking interface. To start tracking, enter a description of what you're working on in the description field. Next, select the appropriate project and any relevant tasks. If your project isn't listed, reach out to your manager now. Simply hit the Start button to begin tracking your time. Clockify will accurately record your work hours in real time. When you're finished with the task, hit the Stop button. Forgot to start the timer? No problem. You can manually add time entries by clicking the Add Time button and filling in the details. To review your time entries and generate reports, navigate to the Reports section. Here, you can filter by date range, project, and task. Clockify promotes collaboration by allowing you to see how your colleagues are spending their time on projects, which fosters better teamwork and project transparency. By using Clockify effectively, you'll have accurate work records, contribute to project success, and enhance team collaboration. So start tracking and take control of your workday.